The 2007 Chrysler Sebring. The Sebring's sleek exterior design captures the essence of movement, while the interior craftsmanship offers a cabin with an abundance of style and comfort, including seating for 5. The Sebring is available in 3 different styles, including sedan, soft-top convertible, and hardtop convertible. Sebring makes driving fun again and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, front air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.